In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to your safe list in Gmail. Having a safe list can be incredibly useful to ensure important emails don't end up in your spam folder. It's particularly helpful if you've noticed that emails from trusted sources are being mistakenly filtered out. Let's dive into the steps and make sure you never miss an email from your important contacts. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account. You can do this by typing gmail.com into your web browser and logging in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your Gmail homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon representing settings. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, select See All Settings to go to the main settings page. Now that you're in the settings panel, you'll want to locate and click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This section is key for managing how Gmail handles your incoming emails. Once there, move down the page and find the Create a New Filter option, which is usually near the middle. Click on it to open a window where you can define your filter criteria. In the new window that appears, you'll see several fields where you can enter information. In this case, we're focusing on ensuring emails from a specific address bypass spam. Enter the email address you want to add to your safe list in the From field. After entering the address, click on Create Filter at the bottom right of the window. Here's a critical part of the process. A new set of options will appear, asking what you'd like your filter to do with matching emails. Since our goal is to keep these emails out of spam, check the box next to Never Send It to Spam. You can also explore other options, like categorizing these emails with specific labels or ensuring they are always marked as important if you'd like. Once you're satisfied with your filter settings, finalize this process by clicking the Create Filter button again. This action saves the filter and applies it to future emails from that address. As a result, emails from this contact will now bypass the spam folder and land directly in your inbox. That's it. You've successfully added someone to the safe list in Gmail. Reviewing your filters periodically to ensure everything is running smoothly is good practice. Now you can be confident that you won't miss out on communications from your trusted sources. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your email experience.